Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I will show you a simple trick how you can join the strongest Battlegrounds server on Discord really quickly and with ease. So with that in mind, drop a like and now let us get started. So what you may do guys is, for example, launch the Discord application on your PC or laptop, log into your account, and once you're in your Discord account, click on that plus icon here on the left hand side on your home screen. Add a server, but instead of creating your own server, click on join a server here at the bottom. After that, this window will pop up for you, join a server. So you may join the strongest Battleground server in Discord by simply typing in here where it says invite link, the name Yielding Arts, and click on this join a server button in the bottom right corner. Alternatively guys, head over to Google Chrome and here on Google search type in strongest Battlegrounds Discord server. And the first entry you will see here below is Yielding Arts. So you can access the Yielding Arts server or Strongest Battlegrounds official Discord server by simply clicking on that link. And if you're already logged into your Discord account, you'll be automatically redirected to that welcome page where you will be given the opportunity to join the Strongest Battlegrounds official server. You will be welcomed by Moomin Rider here at the top. Accept the invitation, accept also the rules and the guidelines and policies. And after that, you will be accepted into the Strongest Battlegrounds Discord server. And that's basically it. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and I'll catch you later.